So hello, good morning. Just a quick voiceover. So this short video shows you how we got up to the top of Lugsangan Peak or Casino Peak, which is one of the 3 peaks or summits that you can visit in one day if you plan to do the Dalagete trilogy. So this one was the last peak that we climbed. Mauna ni siya ang part nga duol na mi sa summit. Mura na siya boulders or mostly rocks na. So among guide advised us na kanang among gihawidan or gidadala nga murag tungkod, need na mo siya ibilin in order for us to be able to hold the rope properly, para dili mi mahulog because sometimes the rocks are also slippery going up. So if tanaw ni mo ng mga nag-una diraa, they are holding onto the rope because it is really technical going up. Kaunan mo. Huwag mo na mong orga. This was really hot, by the way. It was like around 2 p.m. And here, mauna na siya ang sa top sa summit or sa peak, sa Casino Peak. This was a ridge nga not necessarily na you need to go onto. But since na naman nagid ka diri, take it as a challenge. But please, if you're scared of heights, this is definitely not for you. Because if you look at the sides of it, wala na, pang na gina girl. So please be careful. Sometimes it might be slippery and ayaw tanaw sa ubos kasi taas kayo yun siya. There you go. And then here I'm going down na from the peak, and it looks a little wobbly because I just ipit my Insta360 sa akong bag. And guys, look at the view. Gwapo unta kayong view, but na couple sa akong front nakadaot. Chari. Joke lang. But anyways, I really enjoyed this climb. I never thought I'd be able to reach the summit. Not because it was hard, but because this was already the 3rd peak that we were climbing.